Hi students, redox reactions the most important topic from the NEET examination. So here is a just myth I want to just break the difference between the oxidation and reduction in the various formats. So what is the redox reaction? A reaction in which both oxidation and reduction takes place is called redox reactions. In that, what is an oxidant and what is a reductant, I just want to clear in a single shot. So let us see the redox reactions in the classical concept. According to the classical concept, oxidation is the one addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen, and reduction is the addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. It's a so classical way. Let's talk about various examples. Magnesium is reacting with oxygen to give rise to magnesium oxide. So oxygen is being added to magnesium, so magnesium gets oxidized. Also you can see hydrogen plus chlorine, so chlorine to that hydrogen chlorine is getting oxidized. So reduction of a chlorine, you can say that. Also you can see here HCl is decomposed to give rise H2Cl2. We are separating chlorine from the hydrogen, so hydrogen getting oxidized, HCl gets oxidized. In the other ways, you can see H2O decomposes to H2 plus O2. You can say reduction of H2O as well as oxidation of H2O, we can say with respect to hydrogen, with respect to water. Moving ahead, the modern concept, you can say in the classical concept, oxidation is the one, you can say addition of electronegative element, not only oxygen, and reduction is not only addition of hydrogen but also you can say addition of electropositive element, where you can see an example here, magnesium and oxygen gives us magnesium oxide. The same example you can say addition of electropositive oxygen, oxidation of magnesium, and also reduction of oxygen, and vice versa you can talk. Here oxidation and reduction both are shown. Moving ahead, sodium plus chlorine gives rise sodium chloride. In that, sodium to that electronegative atom is added and chlorine to that a metal electropositive element is added. Oxidation of sodium and reduction of chlorine are seen. Let us move ahead with a modern concept here. According to modern concept, loss of electron is called as oxidation and gain of electron is called reduction. So this concept is based on transfer of electron. De-electronation means to say loss of electron is called oxidation and electronation process is called a reduction. You can say the process in which the substance loses electron, sodium metal loses electron gives rise sodium plus and electron. So sodium gets oxidized. Similarly, you can say zinc 2 plus gains electron gives rise zinc. So that gain of electron process is called a reduction. So oxidation and reduction is also carry forward in the form of oxidizing agent and reduction agent. And oxidation of zinc and reduction of copper. When you talk about zinc plate is immersed in copper sulfate solution, zinc is getting oxidized and copper is getting reduced. In that, zinc loses electrons, so zinc is oxidized and copper gains electron, is going to be a reduction process. In that, oxidation of H2 and reduction of Ag plus is seen, and also H2 plus Ag plus gives rise H plus and 2Ag. In that, H2 loses electron gives rise H plus is an oxidation, Ag plus gains electron gives rise Ag. So the modern concept is used to oxidizing agent and reducing agent in terms of electronic concept. Moving it, oxidation and reduction in terms of oxidation number. Increase in the oxidation number is called oxidation and decrease in the oxidation number is called reduction. And oxidizing agent is the one which reduces itself is called oxidizing agent, and reducing agent is the one which oxidizes itself is called a reducing agent. And this clears you what is an oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Use these simple tricks and myth breakers to understand what exactly the NEET examination paper can be answered. Thank you very much. Thank you.